Welcome. Today we are understanding features in machine learning. In machine learning, a feature is an individual measurable property or characteristic of a phenomenon being observed. Think of it as a piece of information that helps a model understand the data. For instance, if you're predicting house prices, features might include the house's size, its location, or its age. Similarly, when classifying dog breeds, relevant features could be the dog's weight, its height, or its fur color. These properties are the raw ingredients your model uses to make predictions or classifications. Features typically fall into two main types: numerical and categorical. Numerical features are quantities that can be measured, like the house's size in square feet or the number of rooms. These can be continuous, such as temperature, or discrete, like a count. Categorical features, on the other hand, represent qualities or labels. These might be nominal, like the city a house is in, where there's no inherent order, or ordinal, like a material quality rating of good, average, or bad, where a specific order exists. While raw data provides initial features, it's often not enough for a machine learning model to perform optimally. Feature engineering is the process of creating new features from existing ones to improve model performance and capture underlying patterns that might be hidden in the raw data. Imagine you have a house's length and width as separate features. IA says, by combining them to create an areas feature, you provide the model with a much more powerful and directly relevant piece of information, leading to better predictions. This creative process helps models learn more effectively. Numerical features often need to be engineered to fit a model's requirements. Scaling, like min-max scaling, adjusts values to a specific range, usually between 0 and 1, preventing features with larger values from dominating the model. Normalization, on the other hand, reshapes a feature's distribution, often making it more symmetrical, which can help models that assume normally distributed data. Additionally, transformations like applying a logarithm can reduce the impact of outliers or handle skewed data, making relationships more linear for the model to learn. Categorical features, being non-numerical, often need to be converted into a numerical format for machine learning models. One common technique is one-hot encoding. Here, each unique category is transformed into a new binary feature, where a 1 indicates the presence of that category and a 0 indicates its absence. This prevents the model from assuming any ordinal relationship between categories. Another method is label encoding, which assigns a unique integer to each category. This is suitable for ordinal categorical data, where the numerical order reflects the inherent order of the categories. Equal. Date and time information, though initially complex, can be a goldmine for creating powerful features. From a single timestamp, you can extract various meaningful features, such as the year, month, day of the week, or even the hour. These can help models identify temporal patterns, like sales being higher on weekends or at certain times of the day. For cyclical patterns, like months of the year, transforming them into sine and cosine components can help models understand their circular nature, preventing arbitrary jumps at the beginning and end of a cycle. Beyond simple extractions, we can create more complex features by combining existing ones. Interaction features are created by multiplying two or more features together. For instance, combining temperature and humanities to get comfort index is an interaction feature, capturing a relationship that might not be evident from the individual features. Polynomial features involve raising an existing feature to a power, like x squared or x cubed. This allows models to capture nonlinear relationships in the data, providing more flexibility to fit complex patterns than linear features alone. While creating many features can be beneficial, sometimes less is more. Feature selection is the process of choosing the most relevant features for your model and discarding irrelevant or redundant ones. Too many features can lead to the curse of dimensionality, where the data becomes sparse and models struggle to find meaningful patterns. It can also cause overfitting, where the model learns the noise in the training data rather than the underlying relationships, performing poorly on new, unseen data. Selecting the right features helps build simpler, more robust, and more interpretable models. To summarize, Features are the fundamental inputs that machine learning models use to learn and make predictions. Effective feature engineering, the art of creating and transforming these features, is crucial for unlocking a model's full potential and significantly improving its performance. Always remember to deeply understand your data and the problem you're trying to solve, as domain knowledge is invaluable in identifying and creating meaningful features. Finally, feature engineering is an iterative process. Explore, engineer, model, and evaluate, continually refining your features to achieve the best possible results. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.